Are you so excited? Who doesn't love a good grocery shopping trip? Yeah. Rude. Come on, I want to see the kind of things. I want you to pick out things. So every time I go to the grocery, my family never says, oh, get me this or get me that, right? You never do that.
Never.
You guys don't like tell me you want specific meals, like nothing. So I want you to help me out.
Okay.
Okay? If I cook, y'all have to choose things.
Okay.
So you're taking one for the team with going to the grocery store. It's nice quality time together. You know? We have to get okra. That's a given.
People always give me a hard time about being in your videos, though. I don't want to be in your shopping.
You to be in it. It makes it different, you know?
Okay.
So we're actually doing a Publix grocery haul today. And I am such a huge fan of Publix. That's my place of choice, not sponsored. But I want to know, comment down below and let me know.
Hi.
So comment down below, let me know what is your favorite grocery store. Obviously I know Publix is not everywhere. So I want to know, like, where did your mom grocery shop when you were growing up? Do you know? You didn't have Publix?
Food Line.
Food Line,
Yeah.
That was a big one.
Food
Piggly Wiggly and Bilo were big in Charleston.
And then Farm Fresh became a thing after Food Line.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
All right, here we go.
We met someone that watches.
Yeah.
I'm a big cheese guy. So, like, literally any cheeses I'm good with.
Well, I always like to get these because I can throw them in salads, macaroni and cheese, whatever. So I like to have this on hand, as well as a goat cheese.
How about a Gouda?
Yeah, we can do Gouda. That's a Gouda idea.
Stop.
So funny.
You're so funny.
Believe it or not, we do drink Dunkin' at home as well.
Yep, we do.
Yeah.
Yeah, we make it at home, obviously, but usually when we're drinking our coffee, we look like this in the morning, still in our pajamas, so you're not going to see it in the vlog necessarily. Or at night, every once in a while, I'll make a cup.
Yeah.
Or when my dad's over. Like every time he's over,
But our
he loves
afternoon
coffee.
coffee is usually what we get out.
Or when my mom and stepdad are visiting. My family loves coffee.
They do. My family does not drink coffee. Not my mom at all.
Right. There's an okra shortage.
There is. It's been for a while now. Like, I don't understand it. Like, look, all of these are okra and they're always gone. So the only one they have is the hot. How many will you need? So, I don't like red wine, but I love this red wine. You think 2
Yeah.
or 3?
I mean, 3's fine.
Okay.
So that was actually kind of fun. I got to pick out some things that I saw in the moment.
Yeah.
You shouldn't grocery shop hungry. I did. But that was kind of fun. Thank you for dragging me along.
Thanks.
We'll show you guys some of the fun stuff that we got.
Did we get fun things?
Yeah, totally got fun things. I got fun things.
Oh.
You should take one member of the family with you grocery shopping, like
Every time?
rotate. That way
Yeah.
they can get their own things.
Oh my gosh, could you imagine if Abby picked what we had?
Oh, Abby grocery shopping? That'd be epic. She would love it, Scylla.
She would.
Let her pick her things.
Yeah.
You know what's crazy? I'm using this toilet paper as a tripod.
Yeah.
It actually costs the same amount as one of my tripods.
That is crazy.
Priscilla said that like a year ago that these groceries would have cost $100 less.
Yeah.
That's
Prices
wild.
have gone up so much.
We got special things for Abby for summer. And for Isaiah.
Yep.
All done.
You survived.
I made it. I had a good time, honestly.
Okay, good.
I had a good time. It was kind of fun. Because, you know, getting stuff we don't normally get. Like, this is for summer, right?
Yes.
This is the spicy mayo.
Yeah, she loves
Mayo
like
racha.
a chipotle mayo.
Okay.
So that's what I was thinking. This is for Isaiah.
Yeah.
He loves pretzels.
I got him the bites because the big ones were their commitment.
Yeah.
So he could, you know, walk by and grab a pretzel bite. We found Chick-fil-A sauce. We did not know this was a thing until today.
Yeah. Let us
You
know.
could buy
Did you know
Chick-fil-A
that that's...
sauce.
I mean, I knew they had like dupes, you know, like
Right.
at different stores, but I did not know that.
Actual Chick-fil-A brand sauce.
Right.
So we got that.
These are like some of our favorites for a quick lunch,
Yeah.
you know? And we love P.F. Chang's. You guys
Winners.
like P.F. Chang's?
I made this, exactly this for dinner for Abby, and she loved it.
When I was gone.
Yeah.
And then you got your favorite dessert.
I did. I'm going to make this for dessert tonight. So it's kind of cool. You know, they had this right next to the strawberries, so we're doing that for dessert. And I'm going to make some strawberry shortcake. So I got to get the strawberries going and some sugar soon, so we can get that going.
So I am not a fan.
Strawberry shortcake?
Yeah.
I'm
a
sorry.
chocolate girl.
Why didn't you say something?
No, because everybody else likes that.
Oh,
So I'm
how
good.
selfless.
I'm good.
And we did get cupcakes for Abby's school
Yep.
for her birthday.
Chocolate and
We
vanilla.
verified with her school to make sure these were okay because they're made in a nut-free facility, no peanut-free facility. So,
Also, these are so good. Our family loves these from Checkers.
yeah,
They're really good. Asa and Isaiah are big fans of these.
meat and cheese all the way.
And I love meat and cheese, but I typically like salami. But these are really good to just have in the fridge as a quick snack. It's a better option than other things you may choose.
Not than vegetables, but that works.
Right. Yeah.
Speaking of Abby's birthday, the Entenmann's. This has
Have
been a
you
tradition.
been here? If you're an OG, you
Oh,
know.
it was way before that even though. It was like
Yeah,
10,
yeah.
10, 12 years of Entenmann's tradition
And-
every birthday.
Fun fact, I thought they were called entertainment. I never paid attention. Thought they were always entertainment donuts. And somebody was like, what are you talking about? So, yeah, just a few little things that we got. Fruit, vegetables, you
And
know.
the rest of it's like the normal
Yeah.
digs, right?
We do
the
get the
$30 toilet paper.
$30 toilet paper. You know, gotta have that. I mean,
It's crazy prices.
we do get the Trop 50 orange juice. So Abby's pretty much the only person that drinks that. And it's, you know, half the sugar.
Right.
So,
And I got some, I love some Nooks and Crannies. So I had to get
with
some
peanut
of those
butter?
muffins.
Is that what? Or,
No, I like it. So you got to do the butter, slice
Yeah.
of butter with like a preserve on top.
Or orange marmalade.
Orange marmalade.
That's his fave. Mm-hmm. And you like strawberry everything.
Strawberry everything. Strawberry ice cream, strawberry milkshakes, strawberry jam, strawberry candy, strawberry. It's the way to go. Strawberry shortcake.
Well, thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Thank you for hanging out with me.
Are you coming to put groceries away?
Thank you. Are you coming to help?
Come on. Come help us put them away.
So,
Since you're so
thanks
good at
so
it.
much for hanging out.
We found
As
it.
always,
That's for tomorrow.
we
Sorry.
appreciate you. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit subscribe if you haven't done so. And we will see you next time. Bye, guys. Here she comes. Are you going to help? You should take this and put it down in the laundry room.
Yep.
2 hands, because it's $30 toilet paper. It's fragile. Here you go. Take that down there for me. Take it downstairs for me.
You can help.
Come on.
Here you go. Take this. You know where it goes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Good job. Go put it by the washer.
Appreciate you.
Pro tip. Now you sit here for like 15-20 minutes just because you're a mom. It's like a little mental break from everybody.
that other people do that.
You don't think so? Comment down below. Y'all better not call me out. It's a thing. It's on TikTok. People sit in their car in their driveway. Well, here, y'all just think I'm at the grocery store still if you look me up. So you just sit here. You can take a little nap. You know,
What about the cold food?
You can't stay too long. 15, 20 minutes isn't going to do anything.
Oh, okay.
We're only a couple minutes from the store, so it's fine.
Okay.
Pro
Wow.
tip. Yep. You want to come grocery shopping again tomorrow? Oh, I forgot something.